Yo, what is going on everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some tips and tricks that you guys can apply to your Behance portfolio to improve it. Now, if you guys don't have a Behance, I would highly suggest making one of them. If you're a designer trying to get some paid work, this is definitely the best place to go to make a portfolio. The reason I say this is that Behance is extremely popular and a lot of clients go there looking for people to buy designs off. So having the right look on your portfolio is extremely vital to getting the clients to actually buy from you. Alrighty guys, so for the first tip of the video, we're going to be working on the About Me section. In the About Me section, you guys want to have at least 1 to 2 paragraphs that quickly explains who you are, your expertise, and your experience. So first, just give a quick description. You can give your age, where you're from, anything like that might help. But mainly you want to be putting in whether you're self-taught or whether you have degrees or anything like that, if you're freelance or if you work for a company, and also which areas you specialize in. So whether you are a 3D artist, a 2D artist, you work in the social media space, or if you're more of like a poster designer, movie designer, just make sure that this comes across because the client might be looking for something different and you don't want to get them confused. The second part of the About Me section that is extremely important is that you give them somewhere to contact you. I added an extra section. If you guys don't know how to do that, just go to edit your profile, go to the About Me section, and then add custom section down the bottom. In here, you guys want to set up your email. If you guys don't already have one, I would suggest making a brand new email that is extremely professional because we don't want anything stupid on there because then clients will instantly not take you seriously and will not buy from you. But apart from that, just put down your social medias that you're most active on and just let them know where they can contact you. So for the second tip of the video, use your actual images from the projects in the cover. I see so many people on Behance just putting some regular text saying headers or advertisements, stream packs, without actually showing images of what's in the project. If you guys actually want to gain attention on your projects, get more views and potential clients, you guys need to show what is in the project. People will not click on a project because all they see is some text. People will be drawn in to click on the project if they see something that they like. So make sure to put your most vibrant and eye-catching sort of images from the project that you can find, or images that you think people will want to click on. Just in case you guys don't know what the size of a Behance cover is, it is 808 by 632 pixels. Now this will just be a basic blank sort of square, and that will be your thumbnail canvas size. Now when creating this, you can put all of your images from your project in, and some people like to spice it up, as I've seen, with putting little ribbons, having like the Twitter logo in the ribbons, or like a little side strip on the side of the design with all of the images, and then like a little Twitter logo just to really bring it all together, saying these are all the images in my Twitter project and it is for Twitter, so these are all my Twitter headers. Or they'll have all their banners and have a YouTube logo in the corner. It is completely up to you guys on how you want to be creative with it, but just make sure to keep the images in and really draw people's attention. Alrighty guys, so the third tip of the video is going to be constantly update your portfolio. When you've got a portfolio, you do not want to be just putting in a bunch of old projects that isn't showcasing your current skills, experience, and all those sorts of things that you are doing. Instead of making a brand new project for new stuff, update an old project that already has lots of views and attention on it. The more views and attention a project has, the more a client is likely to click on it, as well as having a good cover image. All these sorts of factors come into whether a client is yes, going to click on it, or no, not going to. So constantly update your projects. Make sure that you're putting a brand new work into old projects. There's nothing wrong with that. Constantly updating your social media or your stream packs or whatever is going on your portfolio. Make sure that it is constantly updated with brand new work that is showcasing your best current skills. Alrighty guys, so for the fourth tip of the video, it's going to be add more than just your work. Add progress GIFs and images that show how you made your design, shows your workflow, anything that shows the design process to where it finally came to the finished final. This is mainly used in projects where it all revolves around one image. As you can see here in this project, I only have one design in it, but I have multiple pictures that shows how I did it, the images used in it, lighting, all these sorts of things, and it can really make a project something that is from boring to really appealing to a client or just the general public. This will make your project stand out from the rest, as everyone else just sort of puts in their images and then just says this is it, this is the final. It doesn't show you anything behind the scenes, so this can really help you guys stand out and gain a little bit more attention on your projects. So guys, for the fifth and final tip of the video is going to be make sure to be only putting your best work into your projects. I know that this is pretty much a given, but some people seem to slam their projects with heaps of images or works that they've done in the past to fill up their projects to make it look like they get a lot of clients or they do a lot of work. This is not the way to go. You do not want to be showing clients or even the public your designs that you don't think are up to scratch anymore, or not your absolute best work. That is not what people want to be seeing. Even if you only have 4 or 5 images showing your entire year's work, if they are amazing images, that will completely make up for lack of designs. I've seen projects with 3 or 4 headers in them and have 4,000 views, hundreds of appreciations, and I guarantee that they'd be getting multiple clients off it. It is not about volume, it is all about quality. So guys, I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I really hope it helps some of you guys get some more attention on your Behance and helps you guys out. If you do like videos like this where I sort of go over just sort of how to create or do things better in your design life, make sure to leave a like on the video and also leave a comment on what you guys want to see. I'm thinking of doing a clean advertisement video for my next one. So if you guys do want to see something like that, make sure to leave a like or a comment and I will definitely get onto that. I hope you guys have enjoyed and I'll see you guys in the next video.